my first question, I guess, I'll begin with you, Mr. O'Brien. Have any laws been passed that specifically provide for birthright citizenship for illegal migrants?
No, there have been none. And one of the reasons that this interpretation persists is because this wasn't an issue at the time that the case was decided, so it was left alone.
Well, how did it come to be that it was simply assumed?
Nobody knows that. When I was at FAIR, we did an extensive research project where we spent hours trying to find this, and we couldn't find any commentary on the Wong Kim Ark decision discussing the import. We couldn't find any government directives indicating that this was the rule. It just appears to have started happening in the mid-1920s.
Mr. McConaughey, can you offer any light on this subject?
I think that's probably right. I think that's probably practicality. People weren't really paying attention, perhaps, and that's how we ended up with this kind of
So no act of
assumption.
Congress, no Supreme Court decision, obviously no executive order until a few weeks ago, touching on this subject.
Mr. McClintock, if I may just jump in here, I think the unfortunate reality is that the Wong Kim Ark case was misinterpreted in much of the way I think that my friend Professor Frost here misinterprets it to have been a holding, some of the very broad language that is clearly dicta, instead of the narrow and specifically identified holding, which was quite limited to people who are in this country who bear children in this country, who have a permanent, lawful residence in this country, at least,
And it just kind of simmered
to establish allegiance.
It just kind of simmered in the background until we had this mass historic illegal migration, and now we have to confront it.